It's been a long time. How are you all doing? I've been bald lately, so I bought a hat that doesn't suit me.
You did something useless. It's not just your head that makes you ugly.
Shut up, flightless bird. Today I would like to introduce a plastic model called Yuri Godbuster released by Max Factory.
It looks like a knight with an angel motif. The volume of the kit is about the same as an HG Gunpla.
The assembly diagram is in full color, so it is easy for beginners. You can also enjoy it with a booklet that explains the full color characters and the world view.
How nice.
The printed parts look like this. 3 types of facial expressions are included. Decals and unprinted expression parts are also included.
Let's start with normal mode.
Some replacement parts are attached, so you can choose whether to change the appearance a little or emphasize movement. The lower abdomen that everyone is worried about is like this. It's not as good as Kotobukiya's craftsmanship.
I understand.
This is armed mode.
Good looking.
It's a good kit to feel the texture and commitment. It also comes with a pedestal, and a weapon like a long spear that transforms is also good.
What is the price?
About $60.
It's a cheap purchase for you who are single and live at home.
Well, yes. The person who designed and supervised this character plastic model was Akaman, who was active as a designer for Turn A Gundam and Capcom.
It's a famous person.
If you're a fan of his work, you can't go wrong with this purchase.
This kit is nice, but I would like something a little more sexy.
You are an honest penguin. Okay, let me introduce you to another one.
Oh.
Kotobukiya's plastic model, Arcanadia Lumitia. Start from normal mode.
The angel motif is the same, but this kit looks like a negligee.
It's a company that understands men's feelings well. I would like to introduce you to the details, but I don't want you to get angry, so I want you to see the details with your own eyes.
How much is it?
About $60.
Will purchase.
The armed mode is also cool.
The wings are also movable, so posing is also progressing.
I have no connection with real women, so it's a modern trend to seek healing from plastic models.
Can't help it, bald?
This is the end of today.
See you.